What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about XCN today, OnyxCoin. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Let's get into it, my friends. Here we are. At about 1.58 cents. It does look like we're going lower. I bought yesterday, today, whatever. I bought like 12 hours ago. Maybe a little bit later than, or earlier, maybe like 10 hours ago, 8 hours ago. I don't know. I bought it this low, okay? Not at the absolute low, but probably just a little bit lower than where we're at now. And I was expecting, first and foremost, maybe I should start off with saying I was expecting we would go lower. When I went live, I literally bought during the live stream, for those of you that caught that, right? And I was expecting, because Bitcoin looked like it was at its low, and I'm assuming Bitcoin, BTC, to see some kind of miraculous recovery between today and the next 3 days. I think that it's going to be good. I just couldn't see, my brain, logically speaking, I couldn't see XCN continuing to go lower if Bitcoin's going to have a rapid recovery from here. And that's the logic I applied. But with that in mind, it appears that you've started a momentary downtrend here, okay, on the 1 hour time frame. You've had a reversion signal on our LRO indicator. You are finding resistance at your invalidation level right here, the blue line, and that's normally not a good thing, right? You've got everything. You've got the bearish momentum with the blue triangle there. You've got the reversion right there, and then you've rejected your invalidation level. So the full shebang, to me, that would suggest that, hey, even though I think I bought at a quote unquote relatively good time, right? If I wanted to short term trade it, which I didn't, we could have caught maybe like a 7 or an 8% move. Here we are back down, and it looks to me like we're going to go lower. And if we do go lower, we already know where we're going to go, right, guys? We already know. This is something that we've talked about probably at least every day for this whole week, probably. Is from a low here. No. It's from this low to this high that you'd go to your 382, which you're very, very close to going to, but you haven't hit it yet. And that's at about 3.186 cents. Oftentimes, I'm sorry, 3.18. I don't know why I said 3. My bad. The 382. That's why I did that. 1.386 cents. 1.386 cents. That's where the 382 is. Oftentimes with the 382, you do go a little bit below there. I don't think we go below 1.25 cents, but we could go below 1.3 cents. Okay, it's very possible. If we take a look on the 4 hour time frame here, maybe I'll look at it with a different chart so that we don't have all these indicator noises in the way. If we look at the 4 hour time frame here, we take a relative low to high retracement, and we base it off the extensions. The minimum target would be at about 1.36 cents. The maximum target would be at about 1.25 cents. And of course, you could go lower. Of course, you could. But I'm thinking, maybe at the absolute lowest of what I would expect to be about 1.1 cents. But I don't think you get below 1.25 cents personally. Being here at 1.6 cents now, essentially, I'm not completely confident, but I'm fairly confident we do go lower. I haven't sold any XCN, right? Every XCN coin that I've bought since. When was it? Probably since here. Yeah, it was probably since here. Every XCN that I bought since here, I've only held on to. I haven't sold any of them. And I plan to only keep buying until we break this downtrend, right? I'm not in play mode. I'm not in trade mode at all. I'm not in trying to penny pinch and save. And, if I bought up here, and now I'm thinking the price is going to go lower, maybe I should just sell here and then wait for that lower price to come, and then I can buy back and make up for the loss and then double down on my gains and all that. I'm not playing that game. I'll start playing that game. I will never start playing that game, but I will start playing the game with this thing of buying and selling short-term time frames once we break out of this downtrend. Until then, it's DCA every day, baby. That's what we're doing. XCN, you DCA every single day. It might not work out right now. It might not be the best thing, but man, in a couple weeks from now, in a couple months, in about 8 months from now, by the end of the cycle, things are going to be on a whole different level. We're going to be, I genuinely expect this coin, you're at about 1.5 cents now. I genuinely expect a 100x or even a multi-100x is possible by the end of the cycle. Should I say multi-100x? No, because that put it above $3. No, I'm sorry. 100 to 150, something like that, maybe 140, 100, something just above $2, 240 maybe at the most, right? We're at a 1.5 cents now. I do expect to go lower, and here's why I'm not selling. Here's why I'll tell you why I'm not selling, right? The reason why I'm not selling here, even though I expect we go down here, is because what if we don't? What if we don't? What if all the coins that I bought from here and beyond, and obviously let's be frank, guys. Overall, I'm very up. So, somebody, I wrote a comment to somebody. They're asking. I think they were meaning it to be a troll. I thought they were just being genuine at first, being curious. But I bought my first XCNs. I bought them like down here. It went up. I bought more at like something around these highs. I didn't buy the absolute high, but I literally bought the highs because we were breaking out. So I was buying based on that. And then I bought more. My average price was at 0.0026. And XCN is my biggest bag. My average price is at 0.0026. Let's make no mistake, guys. We're fine. We're doing fine. The only people that have lost money, and I'm not laughing at you, I'm laughing at this troll. The only people who have lost money, unfortunately, are the people who bought between January 23rd and now. Any person that bought before January 23rd, you're at least tied up. You're at least neutral, right? And we bought. If you're with me, if you've been following the channel, we bought like a year ago, man. Like literally a year ago. I'm actually coming up on a year right now to get those long-term capital gains enacted right now. All I'm trying to say though is while we're in a downtrend, it's time to accumulate. We break this downtrend. I fully expect that we will not do this. If we do, that's cool. My short-term funds are going to get a little bit wrecked because I will be selling at key areas. I'll be looking to buy at key areas too. But I expect that this move up, while yes, it will be explosive, while yes, I expect that we will see something like this overall, I don't think these explosive moves, and call me crazy, maybe I'm wrong, and I could be wrong, and if I am wrong, guess what? I'm only trading with the short-term funds. 95% of what I own in XCN is not getting touched, you guys. It's on for the long haul. So even if we do just rip right through the roof immediately and we don't play at all, and I sell at the wrong places with my short-term funds, cool. I can roll it over into Cookie. I can roll it over into ACH. I can roll it over into SwiftCoin, XPR, whatever I want. You know, there's more coins besides XCN to have short-term plays with, right? I want, for a long-term play, I think it's a very secure bet, and I think it's going to do very well. That's why I'm holding on to it, not playing with that money. But I very much do expect that before, what I was going to say before all the contingencies there, is that before we see an explosive move like this, what we're going to have to do is get above the golden ratio. And until we're above the golden ratio, I expect us to be rather methodical on the way up. When we're above the golden ratio, this could be the time when we start to explode. Most likely it's once we're above like 4.3 cents. That's when we'll explode. But you never know. It could happen at any given moment. All I'm trying to say here is I expect that we will have a rather methodical moment or movement up. There will be moments to buy and sell and trade and play off of this. And I'm looking forward to that, right? At least a couple, if not a few, good spots to do that off of. And I will make those public. I will make it public every time I do a short-term trade or buy or sell or anything like that. If you want to follow me on x.com, right? I will post it every single time on X. If you want to follow me on the Discord, maybe I should just post the Discord link to my X. I know I should just pay for the Nitro so that it's just a permanent link, but I don't want a permanent link either, because I guess actually I can pay for the Nitro and still not get a permanent link if I don't want one, to be completely fair. I don't want a permanent link because I don't want scam bots and troll. Like, I feel like that's how they get, that's how they get that. And they can get it anyways, but anyways, if you want to follow me on x.com, at Chris Harris 85. I don't know who Chris Harris is, but I'm C-Zar the Great. That's me. This guy, this is my alias, Chris Harris right there. 85, that's me, okay? I got the blue check mark and everything. Celebrities of the world must be shitting themselves. That's me, okay? If it's anybody else but me, they've got less than 2,500 followers. It's not me, okay? Yes, I have 30,000 subscribers on YouTube. I don't advertise the X page as much, right? And that's fine, right? I would like it if it grows. It's fine, but it's the YouTube channel that I'm more focused on growing. I should probably focus on multiple avenues, but I'm lazy. XCN here, you guys. We're at 1.6 cents now. Enough about me. Let's talk about you. You look at the 1 hour time frame. To me, it does look rather bearish. You rejected your 50, but hey, rejecting the 50 and finding support on the 40, which is what you're doing now, that's actually a good thing. So who knows? All you'd have to do to invalidate the invalidation, right, or invalidate the rejection, I suppose, would be get above let's say 1.69, just for sensuality's sakes. Let's get to 1.69 cents, all right? Get to that level. If you can get above that level, then you're not going lower. I was wrong. You're never going to see this price again, and you're going all the way through the moon, baby. But if not, if you see a lower high, you go to 1.64 or lower or something like that. Until you get above 1.69 cents, I very much do believe you will see prices at 1.38 cents or lower, likely lower. 1.35 to 1.25 is likely where you would go. And even though I bought here, and even though we're above that, I'm not selling. I'm not selling because if we rip through, that's why. That's why. And I like the price that I got in at. I'm totally fine with this price. I'm happy with that. So I got nothing else to say. If you guys would like to hit the like button and subscribe, that's very much appreciated. I feel like there was some stuff that I wanted to talk about that I'm drifting off on. It's late here, man. It's like 10 o'clock at night, and I am sleep deprived, so I'm going to get some sleep. Everything looks good. The very key, I think, areas of invalidation to look for, though, whenever we really are looking to break out to new highs relative to that, would be about 31 to 32 cents. Yeah, that's, I'm sorry, 3.1 to 3.2 cents. That's a very key area on the 4-hour. It's a very key area on the daily as well. It's the only key area on the daily, actually. So 3.1 to 3.2 cents is a big deal. We're at 1.6 cents now. That's a 100% move up. It wouldn't surprise me in the least, you guys, if within the next 2 weeks, literally within the next 14 days, if we were up at this level or even beyond there, right? By the end of March, by the end of April, I'm expecting that we do see targets above 10 cents, probably somewhere around, I would think, I really do think that we're going to go above 20, and maybe not above 20 cents. I shouldn't say that. Around 20 cents. We might stop at 17 cents. We might stop at 18 cents. We have all-time highs and Fibonacci extensions up there that suggest resistance. But if we do break to new all-time highs, we likely get stopped in our tracks at about 20 to 25 cents. That's my thoughts. So anywhere from probably 25 cents to 17 cents is where I think we're going to stop at a bare minimum. Probably something, this target keeps moving up, but probably above 12 cents. Okay, we're probably going to go above 12 cents. And my reasoning for that is not this fib here. What is it? Is it this one over here? Let me take this one. Hold on. Maybe it's the all-time indicator. High to low, maybe? Which one was it? Nope, it wasn't that one. Why was it 12 cents? That's the minimum. I thought it was this high to low. I thought it was this extension, but I don't see 12 cents there. I mean, 14 cents is there. Yeah, 14.5 cents. But that's not what I was going off of. Maybe 12 cents is just a number I saw in my head, and now that's where we're going to stop. I don't know. For whatever reason, I was thinking 12 cents was a number on the fibs, but I'm not seeing it here. So I guess we can just stick with likely. I think that we do stop somewhere between about 17 to 25 cents. With a minimum potential of about 10 to 14 cents being the capability, right? I've got nothing else to say. Hit the like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Hit the like button if you're feeling it for XCN right now. Tell me if you're feeling it. Can you feel it, Mr. Krabs? And if you're not feeling it, you're probably not even watching this video anyways. So it's looking like it actually wants to move up now. It's kind of, this 1 hour, but hey, it's 43 minutes left. It's XCN's volatile. It probably comes down. I'm very much expecting that it comes down. But again, get above 1.69 cents, and I don't even have to change my mind. My mind will be changed for me, right? All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.